how to use GoDaddy domain in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a domain from GoDaddy to your Hostinger hosting account using custom name servers. So let's get started. It's pretty simple. First of all, what you're going to do is simply log into your GoDaddy application. So once you're signed in, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you're going to click on My Account over here and then click on Domains over here. So after that, you'll be able to see that if you have some domains over here, you'll be able to see that they are listed over here. So then you're going to go to the Hostinger website and then simply log into your Hostinger account. And after that, at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on Domains and then you're going to click on Transfers. Now over here, you're going to type down your domain of GoDaddy. So simply type that domain down and then click on transfer. But you're going to keep in mind these transfers fees. For domain of .com, it's $27.99, so it will depend on the currency of the country you are residing in. And these are some things that you need to keep in mind, that domains meet transfer requirements over 60 days have passed since the initial domain registration or last transfer. Like if you have created a domain 1 week ago, you wouldn't be able to transfer that. And make sure the domain is unlocked. Your domain must be unlocked from your current registrar before transferring, and you have an authorization code, so you must have a valid domain authorization code. You can obtain it from the current registrar. So if all of these criteria are correct according to your domain, you can simply type that down over here and simply click on transfer. So that is basically how you can use your GoDaddy domain in Hostinger. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.